Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? Today is Saturday and we love Saturday. You know why we love Saturday?
I feel it
I feel it
together.
yeah.
Together.
It's our me time. So I look forward to Saturday and I know my husband do as well.
And which day are your day? Which day are for them day?
Yeah, you can tell us in the comment section which day is your day, which day is your mean day, which day you guys just put aside everything and know that this is our day. This is wifey and husband day, or girlfriend and boyfriend day, or as Maya say, which day you bond together. So we are not going to the river today. We are going to do something really romantic. So we are going on a little hideout. So stay with us on this journey to see what happened and where is that little hideout that we are going. What do you say, Myers?
Shallow.
Alright, stick and stay. Beautiful view, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. And we are not in Alam Bamboo, but the amount of bamboo that we are seeing, one may say, is this Alan Bamboo? No, it's not. The beautiful sky, the green, oh my god, the greenery. Oh Lord.
Remember, Jamaica is land of food and many water. You know,
oh my god.
Water, a lot of vegetation.
Oh my god.
National color is the black, the green, and the gold. The vegetation of the land, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Mountain and valley.
Oh Lord, man. And you know I love these views, right?
That's why you know you come live a bush. You can't
breathtaking. What? What you say about me come a bush come live?
I said I don't know why you didn't come to bush come live, because you love bush. Stay in a concrete jungle.
Oh Lord. No comments. No comments.
We're not sure you can come in. You have to accept it.
No comments. Wow.
It's far.
Wow. Wow. Beautiful, man. You know, these things relax the mind though. Just driving and just, you know, seeing all of these greenery and, you know.
And you could have a relationship with somebody that likes excursion. You could not enter into a relationship with somebody who does not like excursion.
There you go. There you go. You have that right. So guys, I just have to stop and come out of the vehicle to get this view for you guys to see how beautiful Jamaica is. I just have to come out. I couldn't help myself. Look at this beautiful, wow. I'm going to show you guys the apple tree, right? It is full of apple. It's full of blossom, I should say. It has a lot of blossom. But I don't know how they're going to pick those apples when they're ripe. Because it is, wow. Let me go over and show you. I don't know how they're going to get to pick these apples, because this is like, the apple tree is, see there? It ain't a bush, people. Look there. Alright, let me zoom. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See there? And there goes the apple tree. Full of blossom. Wow. Beautiful. 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 Wow. And you know your girl know a beautiful view when she see it. Let me zoom in. Breathtaking. Wow. And I'm all the way up. Can you imagine me drop down in this? Mighty God, nothing me can live. And I see like a little stream down there. Let me zoom in. There's a little stream. Let me zoom right in. Right, there's a little stream there. There's a little stream. Breathtaking, guys, breathtaking. I hope you guys enjoy this view as I do. Wow. Beautiful view, beautiful. So I see this little youngsters, he's doing some acrobat on his bicycle. Saturday no school, so they are out and about, riding and doing some skills and tricks on their bicycle. Basically Jamaican. Wow.
I say no name, sir, brother.
And there they are. You see him? You see where he mad up on the bicycle? You see? No, sir. People, these guys are something else. So guys, we are at Renew and we are going in. I know Mr. Myers always not the front. I think it's ladies before gentlemen, but I can feel the cool, fresh breeze in my nostril. I can smell the fresh breeze in my nostril, and there's a little river. I don't know. Well, you know, coming like river. It come like a river, but it dry up. A river, but it dry up.
Well, if you don't like it when they come down, can you stand yourself?
Oh, yeah. Wow.
You know, then damn the head, that's why. St. Andrew.
St. Andrew?
Yeah.
You look like a St. Catherine come so far back down.
No, fat boy has to walk 5 more miles to find St. Catherine.
Wow.
Go back this way.
Above rocks. Above rocks.
Mountain dust too.
Mountain dust, that's a far matter.
Wow.
Akazal,
Don't drink that there.
you have to go up Akazal and go up
Oh.
Cassava River.
So I can tell you guys, the place is beautiful. The beautiful, luscious green grass and flowers as usual. You know, flowers is one of the things that make the place beautiful, right? In any business you are doing, plant up some flowers. Yeah, man. Makes the place beautiful. Wow. Oh, yeah. So who is going to give us the tour of the place? You. Okay, sir, so I need to get your name. Okay. Wow. The place is beautiful, guys. The place is nice. Beautiful. Wow. So guys, we're at the beautiful Renew, and this is the kitchen area. Very lovely, very outdoor, and you know I love the outdoor, right? So I will be showing you around and showing you clips of here and there. It is very beautiful, guys, very beautiful. If you are planning to come here, please take your food with you, or when you call to make a reservation, you ask if there is someone that can prepare the food for you. But it is best you carry your own food. All right? Well, somebody just win the darts. So. Somebody just win a while ago, guys, so that's why I hear the loud noise. But the place is very beautiful. Very beautiful.
Alright, so let me put
And you know, girl know nice things and beautiful things. So when I say the place is beautiful, no joke, right? It's no spam. Very beautiful. You can carry your games and all of that. Beautiful, man.
The bounce about trampoline, swing.
Whoa. So you hear those things, guys? They have
The chair and table.
beautiful.
Prepare the room for you for make the swimming.
Wow. And do you have a changing room, a bathroom or something? A restroom?
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So you don't worry about that. The clothes that you come in, if you want to change, you can change. Right? That is also, that facility is also here.
We get the key and show you the bathroom.
All right. Yes, they do. Yes, yes. Please and thanks. So going up to the bathroom. I know most of you are skeptic and probably want to see the bathroom. And the apple tree is full of blossom, guys. Wow. And these things here under the tree, they are the, I don't know, I think this is the blossom. What is this that fell off the tree? Oh, the blossom. Oh, right. So let's see the back. The place is really fruitful. A lot of apples, but they are not ready to eat. They are not, there they are. And it is green, right? So you know that's how the apples stay. And when it ripe, you know, it red and nice. I think I have 2 apples too, so you guys will see that as well. Jamaica is very fruitful. And look under the tree, it's a lot of blossom. So here we go. Let's go in the bathroom. So wow. So this is the bathroom. Very clean and nice. Wow. That's the bathroom, guys. Yeah. All right, let me go to the other bathroom here. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Wow. The bathroom them nice and clean, guys. It smell clean. It is clean. There you go. And if you're asking where is this, this is Renew. Lovely. Whoa, a lot of coconut. Which one? I remember it's one. Yes, there's a nut and egg tree, guys. Place is very fruitful. Trust me. So we are going up. Go, babes. Yup. This is exercise, man. This is exercise. Exercise. So when you come up on the mountain tops, when you look down, your face is not in it. Your body parts, but not your face. So this is very beautiful. Woo! When you talk about view, breathtaking. Oh my God. And the coconut tree, them full of coconut. Wow. So see where we're coming from there? We're coming from down there. Can somebody comment in the comment section and tell me if this is therapy? Just sitting down, feeling some cool breeze, and just looking at these green, luscious tree that full of fruits. When you talk about Jamaica, you know, me not left Jamaica. No, no. I don't get to pick them jelly there right way over there. So let me zoom in, make you see people. Whoa. Mighty Jesus. I'm loving it. I am really loving it. It come like the whole of the space in my phone I go take up. Just for just a video this beautiful, beautiful place. And there is the road. So I am going down because they're gone ahead of me. As usual, you know, girl, I have to give you the 411 of the place, guys. Very beautiful. Whoa.
That's my crib.
That's your crib. Whoa. Mighty God, you don't need fan breeze and you don't need AC. You know them places, people? Mighty Jesus. And me can run, we come just live up on the outside. Look on the tree full of coconut. Water jelly, man. Whoa. Mighty God, so we are going down through another path. Woo! You call my name, you call my name. Oh my gosh. Oh God. Girl, behave yourself. Don't be too excited. That's a lot of jelly though. That's a lot of jelly. And as usual, them gone left me, people. Them gone left me. But you know I have to video for you guys to see. You can't ask questions, I mean. Whoa. Oh, he was a coffee farmer.
There was a coffee farmer,
Mm-hmm.
but because of
That man was the youngest farmer
Mm-hmm.
in Jamaica, let's say. At the time, at 40.
Yeah.
And coffee almost clean.
Wow.
Chemical.
chemical,
Wow.
So I come out of it,
Mm-hmm.
start it.
Oh.
3 years now.
Wow. Interesting, beautiful place though. Very beautiful place. Not just beautiful, but very.
So all the coffee tree, the same type of the chemical we
Chemical
use.
when you spray.
Oh.
You know, you have one coffee tree. This is one, only one.
Oh.
You need chemical, fertilizer.
Oh.
Oh. So
You
this
know
is
what
a
it
coffee tree. What is? Oh yes, I know the berry. Something them that I love. With them. Ah. Wait, the berry here is a berry.
A spinach.
This is spinach.
It is spinach.
I thought it was berry. Mighty God. Spinach, I'm in agree. Yeah, it make me feel. I feel nausea when I eat it. I used to eat it and it never used to bother me, but I don't know. So this is spinach tree, and it grow this little thing. I was thinking this was a berry. So can you imagine me alone there in the bush and see this? Me go pick it and me come. I go say, it can eat. Hey. So these are sour orange, but I don't see any on the tree of such. But I see a big one. Let me zoom in. See one big one there on the tree. See there? Wow.
This is
Alright.
a miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit. Yeah.
Come let me.
This one make lime sweet, sour and sweet. So I'm going to give you a sour and then you're going to taste this one. So you heat one and you heat one.
Come give me mine. I'm ready for
This
me.
makes sour and sweet. This is very tiny,
It
brother.
no, you heat it and I go for it. I go for it sour.
Maybe chop everything.
Yeah, man. Do everything. Put your butt.
I like it. It tastes good. So see the tree here, people. But I don't know what the name of the tree. So it is miracle fruit. Miracle fruit. And that is it on the tree there. It's sweet. And that's why he described it as this make orange, sour orange sweet. The place is very fruitful. I must say. This is what I love. Me don't know, Myers, why you never buy a piece of land so me can do farming. So these are tomato salad. They are salad. Huge. Scallion pepper. So the place is very fruitful. And oh, see the thing there that's scrapey. See the thing there, you know. See it here? That scrape talk about. This is alright, I'm going to ask the gentleman. I didn't get his name, you know. This is oregano. Hope I'm right, hope I'm correct.
Oh, you see flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you see this. And this you have all it, you know.
Yeah, I have a lot of that, so.
Leaf of life.
Leaf of life, right. Mm-hmm.
That means lemon is too supposed to sour?
It's sour like lime.
Alright.
Be less sharp though.
Mighty God.
This is yours.
It's pretty though.
Yeah.
Eat it.
Mm-mm. This sweet man.
It's sweet ivy orange just in the market.
Jesus peace. What is this? Lemon?
It's lemon. I should have make it taste it first. But I just
Wow.
kind of pick where the taste bud from.
People. Mighty Jesus. This is very sweet and this is lemon.
It's
Mm-mm.
not sweet lemon enough.
Whoa. So you sure this is an orange? No man, this is an orange.
You see, I should have make it taste it first.
Oh. Yeah.
You can't eat the whole thing. Eat all of the gut and everything.
Yeah, me I go eat out the gutter mines. Sweet. Jesus. Come. You have to. Why so much cold bump on you? Why? And it's sweet.
Just it.
And a cold bomb.
It's what?
You know what?
I say cold bump.
How
What is it?
My mind, you tell me say sour. But me know say you know sour, me not understand.
What is it? What is it? Tell us, sir. Because I didn't get your name, you know. The gentleman name. Yeah, eat it, come here. Skin out mine.
You used to make sour orange and play cricket.
Mm-mm. Whoa.
Make it food with a walk with and
Yeah.
People, that is orange and man time you do so.
Yeah, I want to see when me give him the fruits, him just nyam out, drink the juice.
Come spell the orange and sweet so.
Jesus mercy, that's not nice. That's not nice. So none of this not there we can get. We buy.
What?
You know them here.
no, I bought with one for the treat. I go see if I find a sour another sour orange. And you taste it first before you taste that. Because me know why you can mix a lot.
Jesus. More somebody to buy.
You know what?
Somebody to buy.
No, you have to wait till next year.
You can't go on so.
All your men say that
I love you.
Yeah, go on. People sour orange, you know why we can't accommodate it like that? Because of this fruit here, right here.
Oh.
Miracle. Whoops. Make everything become sweet.
Oh, because we eat this. Because we eat this first. Miracle fruit. Oh. So this is a pudding fruit.
Yeah. Black sapote. Black sapote.
Let me see if I can.
So mash up on that one.
Yeah.
Is that good?
That?
Yeah.
Me not name that.
Me not did it neither. But
So what?
them said, when I make a read up and go down so.
Oh, would I eat it more
A
green?
nice punch, ice cream, vanilla, like you mix the vanilla and milk and thing. Nice.
More taste, you know. Funny name fruit more taste. See there, people. So it have to stay like that before
Yeah,
it can.
that's how it
Oh,
dry.
so they
And
are.
this is young, you know.
Oh, those are young. Those will. Oh, those would consider young.
Yeah. But it come like in morning, you know, just the color change before and it just ripe overnight.
And I love noni. I drink a lot of noni juice. I just put it down, let it
If you
drain.
drink none, you can't eat this, man.
No one taste me. I taste. Wow, people. No. So how? These are the common fall. Wow.
And then they get real egg in man.
Yeah. You don't have any egg we can get some to buy?
3, 4 me buy and I want to build and mango.
Country people, you say when you talk about country, man. Mighty Jesus, man. The place is fruitful. It's full of a lot of fruit trees. Mighty Jesus.
Show the black pepper.
Black pepper. You're going to show us what they used to make the black pepper? And the tree. Oh. Wow.
What is this one?
Hmm?
What is this one?
That?
Yeah.
This is a feeding pan, though.
Yes. But this now, what is the
What
purpose
is-
of this?
You know, so I don't know, I don't tell no lie, I can't.
That me tell you, you need to go country. It's how when you kill chicken and you don't want him butter, you push him and cut off the head, same no butter.
Oh, so but him body I go jump out back out of that.
What's the joint?
And say dry head, don't you not chew this?
Mm-hmm.
You can't butter because this swell him. Same now in the butter.
Wow,
So
guys,
you
and
kick
you
him
hear
in the
that?
butter blood.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hear you loud and clear. Clear. Wow. Mighty Jesus. Yes, the property is huge, guys. So if you have never been to Renew, please come on. Come on out. Come and give some support. The property is huge and it is a lot of there's a lot of fruit trees, different fruits that you don't know. If you're a fruity like me, the only problem is this time here when I come, it is not fruits time. They are blossoming. The trees, they are blossoming, right? Because I show you where the apple tree has on a lot of blossom and some other fruit tree. Whoa, jackfruit. Woi. Woi. Me I run a come if while. Mighty Jesus.
You have pig though.
Wanna not eat fruits, man? The jackfruit overripe, people. What is this? Mighty God. No.
Alright, you tell me what is that?
I eat. Mm-hmm. Oh,
Say it,
yam
say
run
it.
up on? No, yam? Chocho?
I am.
Grandidella.
Grandy what?
Grandidella. This is the big passion fruit. It's I don't have it, but it's a passion fruit, but it's a big one. Big, like a breadfruit.
Wow.
This is
You trick me. You trick me.
Yeah. Whoa.
this one, this one.
Whoa. There's a lot of, you know what I noticed, guys? They don't have they have unusual fruits. Unusual. Unusual fruits. What is that now?
This is black pepper.
Oh, that's what they use to make black
Yeah,
pepper?
this is black pepper.
Wow.
Where we go? Akazal.
It smell like it?
No, you don't bite if you want bite it, you probably happy. You want bite it?
So you can't cook in a pot then?
They make it dry and grind. So
You
this is the
blend it,
black
you
pepper
blend it.
tree.
Oh,
So this is the black pepper
first
tree,
never see a
guys.
black pepper tree.
It's
Wow.
not tree, no, it's a vine.
It's a vine. Oh, and it's full. Let me go closer.
It's like the grape.
Yeah.
Oh, see there, guys.
Never think about it.
Yo, there's a lot of fruits on it. Wow.
There's a lot of things you know buy now.
Yeah, organic. That's why you're strong, so. And you look young and look strong. Alright, him a 72 people. But me can't show him face because I don't want him face on the camera, only him back me can't show. So this is banana. I see a lot of banana. A lot of banana. Whoa. Whoa. There they are. So this look like planting. This. Oh, banana. It look big. Don't laugh, man.
We buy unusual plant.
Unusual. That is what I know.
Anywhere we go,
I notice.
Where's the jackfruit tree?
it's a cinnamon. I mean, never jack with tree now.
Whoa.
It's rotten. Yeah, come on. That's cinnamon.
That's why it roll in Japan.
That's the next
Wow.
one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we know cinnamon.
Boy, the way me love jackfruit, people. Me I come back, you know, come I come back for the unusual fruits them when them ripe. Especially where the fruits name? Chinese guinea.
The light and the
Lychee and Chinese guinea. Me want them they bad.
orangutan, we have Logan, we have Longan.
Logan, the whole of them once a name fruits. All when I first me I eat it, If you find any fruits, sir, me want it. Yeah. Yeah, I eat pineapple a lot. Them they come and me want the unusual fruits them where you have.
Why you moving? You put it back at the chunk tree door.
Jelly, I go pick you now. Wow. Oh, it look like that, like the water fly out a while ago. Mighty Jesus.
These are the things when you come to live at home.
Why me want to live a country? Me want to live a country. Ooh. Me want to live a country, people. Benefit by eating the organic food and fruits. Mighty God, see one big banana there?
I fermented that dry yourself.
Coconut, guys.
You know this, right?
What is that? Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, cayenne pepper. You never know, you see? You laugh after me when me don't know the something them.
Oh, please.
Yeah, you laugh after me when me don't know the something them.
So put it on the pocket, brother. And style it.
Ladies before gentlemen, so I'm gonna drink a jelly, people. Woo! Sweet, sweet.
Every jelly sweet for you. And singing jelly.
Everything is sweet because America.
Oh,
What do you call a sweet still?
It's sweet, man.
when she got a market, she buy them by a dozen, you know.
We are in the... And I ask if you sitting there them now and scratch my foot, but I couldn't care less. Because when I see fruity, when I frightened and for fool people. Mighty Jesus. Oh my God, this is what I love. Wow. Mighty God, when I go get some of them life here in the country. 1 month, what of this I want, you know? Or probably I'll want 2 months, you know, man. Woo.
Want to meat inside it.
Good season.
Or a bunch of banana.
You get a bunch of bananas and make them one man like confident tree there.
Oh,
One man harder them.
okay. So we're gonna just
So me can't tell them one gone.
whop up. Wow. So we're gonna have some coconut. We're gonna have some jellyfish right about now, people. So, yup.
Living the life. You know, the country.
Yeah. Simple and easy, you know? Banana fi kill. Organic fruits. We talk about organic fruits. Wow. Yup.
This is how we take banana from the banana field.
You should have cut it. I should have cut, yeah. And that would have nice when you see it a cut. Yeah, man. Yeah, people with the here get a tour of the farm, you know. Beautiful, man. Trust me. Beautiful, beautiful. Fruitful. We are going back up. We are going up. Yup. Oh, Mr. Myers reach up with the banana already. Whoa. Yeah, you know, I buy it. I use it. I use it, cook everything. Tea, everything. Yeah.
Where tree? Oh.
You don't know it. I bet you me go home and show you, you know. I buy it at the supermarket, but dry. They dry it. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I know it. The dry one don't have any scent. Dry one don't have any scent. So that is sour orange. They're young. Oh, I see jackfruit them on the tree, but them young. So this is sour orange. This is sour orange. Wow. Property is huge, guys. A whole lot of tree.
No, them can kill off them.
You know, this are some busy though. Yeah. Why they aren't treated that's
Wow.
sure.
Wow.
I understand the come out here and come in at something different. And then
Whoa.
change everything with them, you know.
It's coming like you're the country, no people. Whoa. Whoa. Big property, man. Catch your face, you know, brother.
And here we go.
What is this?
Okay.
It's sweet. But more one red one too. Yellow one can't eat. Bam.
It's different, man.
What is the name of this?
Cherry. But I'm not a cherry tree still. And the seeds probably go over there, but then you.
See these people? This is cherry. Yeah, because they have mostly unusual fruits on the property. Hold on.
Carambola, the star fruit.
Okay, I guess this is a different, probably a different one from what we know. So the blossom there, people. You can't bite the seed when a baby. So bite the seed. Yeah. But it's sweet. So that probably is a different. Let me show you some. Zoom in some more upon the cherry. And these are some different cherries from what we know. Yeah, it's the first I'm seeing this type of cherry. Wow. Wow. So this is a strawberry guava as well, but it is not ripe. I mean, not say it not ripe. They are not, there is none on it. It's not fit. You see those little ones? I mean, you cannot even identify it. Like, if you see it, you will know it because you see it already know. You know, you can't identify it. You just see the little green thing them. They are not big whereby you can identify them if you see them again. Wow. Can you see that, guys? I'm zooming in so that you can get a good look. And those are strawberry guava. Hold on, don't do that as yet. I'm coming. Oh Lord, I have to eat. My husband at the bush I pick lemon because him know me drink lemon in my water at morning time. So me come right here. So where you going to get that? It will drop down in the bush.
It may have this.
Mm-hmm.
Literally lemon right to me. Wow.
Okay.
That?
You're the boss.
All the time.
Wow. Oh, there's another big one. Hey, mine drop down in the... I think you better leave those now, you know. Leave them. I think you better leave it because I don't want you to fall. Babes, leave it. Leave it, please. Look there, so. Can you imagine? Yeah, make it stay. Can you imagine him fall down in that people today? What would happen? Nope. So for those who don't know tuna, this is a tuna tree, a lovely, lovely tuna tree. This is it. Well, you all know that I have single Bible in my backyard, right? But I don't think I could have able to have the tuna tree because I don't see the tuna tree big, people. Mighty God, I couldn't accommodate this. I don't have the space to accommodate this at all. Wow. The place is very fruitful. Can I tell you? Wow. Birthday. Yeah.
Hello. I'm good. How are you? Good. It's nice to see you.
Hey. The place cool. You see the whole heap of tree. That's what makes the place cool. Yeah. And you get fresh breeze in your lungs. Yeah. Oh, but them young. I never see it. Ah, but they are young. Mighty Jesus, don't tell me some video was running. Jackfruit tree. Whole heap of jackfruit, but them not fit. They are not fit. It's a lot of jackfruit. And if you don't know anything about Myers know about jackfruit.
Yeah, man.
Yup.
Fruit always have green lizard on it, you know.
Let me zoom in.
You ever seen a green lizard?
Me no want to see none.
It's the funny thing about it.
This is the time that when I don't want to see any.
Got them camouflage, them skin is just...
Yeah. So we are going up. So Myers is going with that lovely bunch of banana. So this tree is the rambutan tree. Rambutan. This is rambutan and it is a fruit. I don't know if any of you guys know that tree, that fruit, rambutan. And then I'm going to show you the lychee tree now. So there you go. That's the rambutan. Let me go to the lychee. That's my clip. So this is the lychee tree.
And the purpose of this is to threaten it beer. That can be like this.
Oh, the purpose of this is what?
Threaten it that it beer.
Oh, so you chop it. Oh, wow.
If you're hungry, you buy a plant like you have a beer. The plant this about maybe 30 years ago, and I not get a good beer in. But this is a good beer and I'm nice, you know.
Wow.
The times I'm million after it's easier to beer.
Down, we are going down. Wow. Whoa. What is that now? Oh. Yeah, man, I know that it's an oil, but I've never seen the tree.
Rub it up on.
Let me smell. Yes. Is it? Is it?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Is it? Yeah, man, is it? I know it. I buy it when Jay was small and have coal. And I put it in him playpen. I put it right where he put his head.
Oh.
You remember I was giving you that story about it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is where we walk. Oh, up there, so the two of them. Whoa. I guess these are the lychee tree. Those are not. Whoa. So for those who don't know tuna, this is a tuna tree, a lovely, lovely tuna tree. This is it. Well, you all know that I have single Bible in my backyard, right? But I don't think I could have able to have the tuna tree because I don't see the tuna tree big, people. Mighty God, I couldn't accommodate this. I don't have the space to accommodate this at all. Wow. The place is very fruitful. Can I tell you? Wow. Birthday. Yeah.
Hello. I'm good. How are you? Good. It's nice to see you.
Hey. The place cool. You see the whole heap of tree. That's what makes the place cool. Yeah. And you get fresh breeze in your lungs. Yeah. Oh, but them young. I never see it. Ah, but they are young. Mighty Jesus, don't tell me some video was running. Jackfruit tree. Whole heap of jackfruit, but them not fit. They are not fit. It's a lot of jackfruit. And if you don't know anything about Myers know about jackfruit.
Yeah, man.
Yup.
Fruit always have green lizard on it, you know.
Let me zoom in.
You ever seen a green lizard?
Me no want to see none.
It's the funny thing about it.
This is the time that when I don't want to see any.
Got them camouflage, them skin is just...
Yeah. So we are going up. So Myers is going with that lovely bunch of banana. So this tree is the rambutan tree. Rambutan. This is rambutan, and it is a fruit. I don't know if any of you guys know that tree, that fruit, rambutan. And then I'm going to show you the lychee tree now. So there you go. That's the rambutan. Let me go to the lychee. That's on my clip. So this is the lychee tree.
And the purpose of this is to threaten it bear. That can be like this.
Oh, the purpose of this is what?
Threaten it that it bear.
Also, you chop it. Oh, wow.
If you're hungry, you buy a plant like you never beer. This, the plant, this about maybe 30 years ago, and me not get a good beer in. But this is a good beer and me nice, you know.
Wow.
The times I'm beer, that's how it's easier to beer.
Down, we are going down. Wow. Whoa. What is that now? Oh. Yeah, man, I know that it's an oil, but I've never seen the tree.
Smell it, rub it up on.
Let me smell. Yes, is it?
Get time and come now, yeah?
Is it?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
is it? Yeah, man, is it? I know it. I buy it when Jay was small and have coal, and I put it in him playpen. I put it right where he put his head.
Oh,
You remember I was giving you that story about it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is where we walk. Oh, up there, so the two of them. Whoa. I guess these are the lychee tree. Those are not. Whoa. Kind of around. Right at the back. Hear that? Remember, so them things here, not so terrible. Hello, Seminole. So guys, we're having a restful, peaceful day, and as usual, you know, girl, always I do our little thing. Yep, so we're having a lovely picnic this afternoon. And this is what our picnic food look like. And I know Mr. Myers can't wait to eat. Hungry about him short. Long time. So we're having some fruits, we're having some, it's just basically it's mainly finger food. Mainly finger food. So this is my little setting up. So yeah, we're on a picnic and we're on a budget. So this is it, guys. So we're going to just dive into some of this food right now, because you don't know Mr. Myers can't wait, right? You see him face? He's just holding it just because of me. But so anyways, let me just put this down. Hope you guys are seeing this lovely view. Yup, that is good. Why are you yawning and behaving like that? Really? Oh yeah. You see one bird? Yeah, but you have to probably go back out for that. Anyway, so I'm gonna make Mr. Myers name right now. Right about now. Yeah. The bus and the noise. So alright. He's waiting on me, so let's not eating. Waiting. And this is why you have to try something like before you put these things, because this is a hot one and this is a wire.
Heavenly Father, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, we come before you ask that you come over Jesus. So I'm just want to thank you, God, for our great strength, for the guidance and the protection. We thank you, Lord, that we can take the time out to spend together and renew one another, reminisce and talk about and express our love. We thank you for the moment, Jesus, our Father, and we cherish it. And as we're about to share what Miss Polly has put together, I know whatever Miss Polly put together is something good put together. And I mean not only health and strength to my body. Whatever we do, we just do to show you and to demonstrate love for each other. And I thank you, Lord, that Miss Polly can working on still into the Holy Spirit. Be with us, sweet Holy Spirit. Continue to be our light, our dark, and our protection in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you so much. So,
Amen. A bird for Diana?
are you feasting on that? You don't want to play.
Yeah. Oh, that's a property.
Alright, so you don't want it in, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. You can.
Come on. I forgot to put food on plate. Now, can I plate?
So here's the thing to use. Look here. And that now go on, yeah?
We're not at home. We're not in a restaurant. We're in the green forest. I will put this up beside you and what that thing? What that mean? Spatula?
Fish fillet.
No, the
Oh,
thing.
tongue.
Down. You should send me a can with fish cooking that one.
No?
Cisco.
Much bread I should give you.
Once you know.
And dinner roll. You want fish fillet?
Olive oil.
Give me everything. That is good. Yeah, you can always come. bread now because you want dinner roll now.
I'm just in Spally. You can come up and show off. You know, young girl.
We're having a quiet moment, right? We don't want to your own mouth. Mouth? Shopping and biting and indulging. As usual. About something that I want.
That one glass, what's it? You want it from me? I guess try that.
What do you want? Huh?
Food?
You can get ice. Alright, just you know this is it. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice.
I did actually have one in Spally. Anyway,
Myers. You know me have to do this, right?
yeah, all right.
Let me put it back for you.
It's probably decent and everything have it organized. And I go back on the right side.
So you're eating two things at a time. I'm just asking.
I got the icy.
Hmm?
I did the icy.
You're eating your chicken and your fish. You plus your dinner rolls and then he's eating some little sweet his sweet tooth call for these.
Something's up there.
I hear it. This here. Trying to. Should I just take it off? Cup of juice now. Need to show this. I don't know when I leave it here. It is too.
And it go behind there.
That is beautiful. Mr. Myers, nyam off everything. Well, him not eat everything people but him plate there. Then try it.
What's this? You can. Are you on that? I go there.
But I'm not gonna be so greedy. Just too small plate, you can't just burst it. Okay? No, you have to hold the grip in your hand and pull it apart. The stem. This one shorter. You get more of me now. Oh, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Wait. Go back emotion.
Chihuahua.
Nut.
Nice done, yam like me. You know, I'm not going to refuse it as a food. You get this all the time. That's sweet, man. Sweet. No, 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 no. You be inside. So, we are going to play a game, and this game is how much I know my husband and how much my husband know me. So, you want to go first, huh? Alright, so this is a couple game, guys, that you can play with your spouse or with your husband or boyfriend. Here is a couple game. So I'm going to tell him three things. Out of the three things that I'm going to tell him are the three statements that I'm going to make. One is a lie and two is true.
I must identify which is the lie.
So he's going to identify which one is the lie. Okay, so I have, yeah, no one too easy for you, you know.
Just come in here.
Okay, so I have four children. I have four children. I live with my mother and my father they until my mother passed, until they both passed. I love chicken back.
You have 4 people. Yeah.
I tell you that one is easy, you know. It's easy thing because I don't know if you tell him. Alright, your time?
So me got 1 point. Alright. I obtain 1, 2, 2 pieces all age school. I think 3 all age school. I love curry shrimp and white rice. And I love Devon Stout ice cream, which is like
Which is a lie. You have had 3 olives. That is a lie.
amazing.
Ring, ring, ring. Correct.
Yeah,
Alright, so
amazing giveaway.
my first one was a giveaway as well.
Right, I think it now.
I love fruits. I love to sing. Giveaway again. People will not sing. I love chicken.
I love chicken. I love food, you love fish, you love.
I know it too. It will give away. We can't manage it. Your time now. So 2 points, 1 point.
I I am good at making kite. I am good at making skate. I am good at making
Jesus Christ. You're not good at making dumplings, cause you not cook. No, don't look at me like that. Only when I ask you to. Only when I ask you to, and I have to reward you when you do it.
don't get it twisted. Not because you don't love the eating them, so you can't do it.
Well, you can't make dumpling good.
You know, I think that one should be open first. Because she use your fear standard for that one. I think
Uh,
that
no,
one.
no, but you're good at making kite. And you're good at making what's the next one?
You see, you're not
No.
lying.
Yeah, but me don't detect which one of the lie already from the start. I tell it, me start to detect the lie. All right. So I can make skirt. I can make PE skirt. People don't know them PE skirt with the pleat. I can make that. I can make the blouse to go with it, whatever blouse. All right. Ah, I love English language. I love to cook.
That's why I don't know which one.
No, it's 3.
You get up to make peace first.
And I say I can make the blouse that go with it. That's one question.
I love to cook.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know something?
Okay. You know,
I just say, fine, look around. That's sci-fi thing.
anyway, which one are the lie?
You cannot make a peace skirt. Never see make a peace skirt. And then you can't say it never see anything.
People, we belly full, so we are playing one couple game, but it not go well. So you know, we are stuck a couple game.
No, I have one more to do. I pull in them to look at some of the first.
Oh, so you want to win?
No one of one way. We see no one taking this and they are getting.
All right, shoot up, brother.
I was married in 2013.
I come near here.
I get married in 2013. I get baptized.
Let me hold into that one.
I get baptized in 2014.
Mm-hmm.
I
I.
my mother is still alive. I'm trying my life.
That is true.
Yeah,
So
I'm
get
trying my life.
married in 2013. That's the lie. But you know me not remember the date. You can't. The two people, him knows me not remember the date. Them come try something. It don't work. It doesn't. It don't work. It never work.
Surprise.
Never work. Never work. Never work.
So nobody knows you.
Nobody knows. All right. So All right. So this is it. I'm going to tell you 5 things I hate about you, and 5 things I love about you. And you repeat it. You want to repeat it. You want to flip it. You want to do the same. So you want to start that one? All right. Let me start it. All right. 5 things that I love. Let me give another things that I love about this man. This man is a hard, and I mean, let me quote, very hard working, right? He's very hard working. I love that about him. He can fix anything around the house, you name it, anything. There is nothing around the house that he cannot fix. Everything around the home he can fix. Alright, so that's two things that I really, really love about him.
Work with a man. A woman have a man like that, I should find solution. Hard working and can fix everything. Anyway, continue.
I love the fact that he takes the time out to help me in the morning when I'm doing my YouTube. When I'm doing my YouTube live, he takes the time out of his busy schedule just to help me. I appreciate that and I love that about him, right? So let's not miss the point. I'm giving 5 things that I love about my husband, Mr. Myers. So that is 3. There's a lot of them. I'm just trying to find the ones them that I really, really love. But don't get it twisted if you see I'm trying to think. That no means say you know the pan tip of my lips. I am just trying to find the ones then that I really, really love about him, right? The next thing I love about him know everywhere. People know in a Jamaica where him no know. Him know everywhere. Hello, I should put that 5, because I hold it.
Fight. You know, but
Him know everywhere in a Jamaica. Anyways, we're having a picnic. I'm going to speak proper English. He knows everywhere in Jamaica. And I love that about him. I don't have to worry. Whenever time I want to go somewhere, I don't have to like, you know, I don't have to hold my head on a panda. One day, babes know ya, so I want. No, him know it. Yeah. So I love that. I really, really love that about him. The next thing again that I love about him, he makes me feel secure. Mm, yeah, I bet you didn't know that. So I love that about him as well. I really, really love those, I love those little things about him, and I can continue. I love when I'm giving me the massage. I love when.
hey, that's well. No, I hate this.
All right. So 5 things that I dislike about him. So I don't like when he doesn't listen to me. That is number one. That is top on my list. He does not listen to me. Yup. Yeah. That's number one on the list. So I don't like that. The next thing I don't like about him, when something want to fix around the home and I say to him, babe, so and so, or like the pipe a leak, or it takes him like a decade to fix it. Well, I'm just exaggerating, all right? Don't take it. So that's 2, right? All right. Yeah. Basically, I'm trying to search my brain now to find what I don't like. Oh, yeah. You know what I don't like about him? Like if he's watching the television and I said to him, babes, come follow me go here, no? No, not today. I hate that. I hate it. Yep. I hate it to the core. Yeah. Or if I said to him, people, when you're trying nice them up, like something want to fix, I tell him long time and him not do it, and him come home now and him eat and him belly full and him relax and him fall off because there's a big huge ever mat that's his thing, that I make sure that it's always there with his pillow on it, not the pillow that we use on the bed. He has separate cushion thing that I provide that definitely for him, because as I say, he's hard working and when he comes home, he want to relax. So I create that space for him, right? So you see when he goes on that and click, turn the TV on, and if I say, babes, come we go mash down one at the back and build it up back. Not today. I'm just exaggerating when I say. I just trying to let you think. Not today. So I hate that about him. I really hate that. That's what 4. Uh-huh. The next thing I hate about him is his clothes. He does not fold up his clothes. He just throw them. And I hate that. People make it. So I hate that about you. I hate that about you. How much is that? 5 now?
5, basically 5.
Alright, so. But anyways, it's all good. I know you're my boo.
Anyway, we can find 5 things to eat all time.
Wow!
So, I'm compromised.
No, you don't say that. No, you use that to top up. No, that's not nice. That's not true. That's
Anyway,
I compromise.
the thing that I do like about is this. I think at times she's a little bit unfunny. Yeah. When somebody hurt her, she tends not to forgive them easy.
Wow.
I go like that. That's the number 1 thing I do. Number 2, expectation. I tell her not to have that high expectation of people because people are not genuine. And because they're not genuine, they're going to be busy. There will come a time when you're hurt and because she always tries to do her best for people and they don't turn up to give her that in return, she becomes very disappointed and then she becomes hurt. That's true. Expectation and forgiving. And the next thing that I know like about her is when men are asked, she says, she goes, she comes in the conversation and she comes with an idea and she comes with the idea last week. Even when I say, yeah, baby, you're right, but you know you can't meet a baby, she wants to say, why you meet my baby? So through that now she said, no, listen, but she has. But the work it out still. But I don't like it. That's a truth in the life. It's the friends that I try to find.
You're trying to match up with me. So you're not being truthful. You're just trying to match the five.
No, you're really a friend, right? You're trying to find 5. 5. Alright, let's left that tree and then come back to the camp. The thing that I really love about her is that
Let me just cross up for this one.
number 1 on the list
Yeah.
is caring.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very caring person. When I say caring, I'm not going to give her immediate so therefore she will do anything, especially for the older folks and the younger folks. She's a very, very good person. And I really love that. Next thing about her is she is loyal. She is, when I say loyal, team. She is supportive. You know, I always tell people, we want man. Man at sight, we work with a man because you know man there sight and man talk about woman and man situation and now they talk about you can trust the woman and all something. Yeah, very trustworthy. You have no problem with that, you have to stand so. I tell them so I can leave my baby and my man and my man think about it. Me not have to watch my woman. My woman lie and trust her.
Am I your woman or your wife?
My wife. My wife.
I'm your wife.
Yes. So me not get no grey over them. And that is one of the things that every man wants to dream about. You must like that. Trust in wife. You know, care of who you care about money. Can't use money. Can't invite it if you try to turn it into my wife. And love that about her. Yeah. The other thing love about my wife, she loves it. And every man needs to have a woman and no, not to talk. She loves to cook. You know, if we say our dog will go buy KFC, she said, why not just two fish in one pot and box it up? Which is family beauty. You understand? So we love the old dog. And we love cook food. We love very cook me. And God bless me the wife and love me very, very special. Or the time nor the place have no impact upon her which way. If a bush you go, if a later night you go, make sure it's wow. Early morning you go, I love that. I love that. The other thing about that, really, really love that. She want to live long. So my time to that, everybody want to experience it. So because she want to live long, she ensure that I have a good, healthy meal at all the time. You know, look here, you need to drink one X amount of water. You need to, when you buy bun, you make sure you drink water with it. She care about Yeah, that one not here. So, but I love that. Yeah, but I love that one. The other thing that I love.
No, you have to over now, you know. 5.
Before, you have to give one.
Oh God.
Yeah, the other one. She take care of the house. I guarantee that when I clean and clean the property clean, house clean, house tidy, meals prepare, clean bed, everything. And that's another thing that every man does. A man hate to have a situation where I'm outside winning bread and I could be losing in mind over hand out out to win the bread and come a yard now and I start working my out to win the house. When I come in, my house properly run so many have to think about that. I just come in and just lie down on a big comfortable mat and just enjoy the thing in the yard. Right? Run the house proper. Yeah, why say you know? So we love that everything carvers. And she can't tell us that she not like that about the car. We come and you know proper neat like her, you know. But you know one have to balance with the other. The clothes. She's the only person who said phone up dirty clothes.
Hello.
But,
Hello.
but,
Hello.
but
Hello, sir.
you know,
Sir.
I love that about my wife.
That's
5.
okay. All right. So
You want to go more?
no.
Okay, think about the other. Think about the other thing.
No more.
That you don't
So
like.
all right. So I want to tell you something that I've been. All right. Let me stop this and start it back again because I think it's too. It's gonna be too long. Too long. Hun. Yeah. So I always hear happy wife, happy life. Have you heard that saying before?
My sister.
Okay.
Yes, I know why my sister. Because I don't know I can't sleep. But tell me about your own news.
Well, suppose I tell you that I heard something and I think I kind of want to differ from a happy wife, a happy life. A happy man is God's plan. So you are always saying, we are always saying, oh, a happy wife, a happy life. So where's the man? Did you know that a happy man is God's plan? No, no.
The kind of thing like I have for you. Bible say that. So you to prosper.
Because I am flesh of your flesh, bone of your bone. Exactly.
But I see him too.
Yes,
A
but
happy wife, a happy life. You give me a life with a happy, if you're happy. But if you never make a mistake and if you're happy, I'd rather go up in your house and go sleep right now. Naggy.
alright, let me grab something here, guys, and let me tell you what I am saying. So you can sit. I'm going to just read something for him here. You know, it is always a happy wife, happy life. But a happy man is God's plan. That's what I'm trying to tell my husband. A happy man is God's plan. Don't get it wrong. Right? Don't get it wrong. Of course, God wants his daughter to be happy too. We are created to be their help what? Helpmate. Right? Isn't that so, my dear? Right. We are bone of, I am bone of your bone, flesh of your flesh. Right? Is that true?
Yeah, man,
'Cause
Genesis.
that's Genesis. So there it is. No woman without a man. I mean, we can't live without you guys. You heard that talk. You heard that spoke about it on the live, right?
I wonder what eating that some can't see them. I wonder what she eating inside there. Continue sound good.
Sound good. All right. So as I was saying, okay, so our desire. So without men, our desire is to be unto them, right? That's our desire, is to be unto you, to ensure that you are happy. right? That's our desire. Our desire.
The Lord, oh my soul, and all that
Oh,
is within
all right.
me. Bless His holy
Almighty
name.
God. Okay, so you are the head of my household, our household, right? You are the head, you are the king, right? So when you are good, everything is good. Alrighty? And if you are not good, I mean, we best believe it, you know. If you are not happy, you are not good, the whole house is upside down, you know. Everybody is going to feel it, right? You believe? You believe what I'm saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because when you upset, you know, the whole house feel it, you know. And guys, I see that played out. So it's not
Personal
like,
experience.
yeah, I see it played out.
Person.
So,
Ali
I
dog.
would say,
Ali dog get probably in a problem. Or cheeky.
I would say, as for us ladies or as for us wife, get the happy wife, happy life out of our head, right? Because when the males are happy, we are happy as well, and the whole household is happy because he is the head of the house, right? So I would say to you,
Can I say one more thing before you finish? And this is from the depths of my heart. And people, this is one more good nuggets of my wife. This is one of the things that she's good at, very good at. You are not a selfish person. And because you're not a selfish person, you ensure that your husband is happy. Yes, he's happy. Father God, you have done great things. Great things you have done.
yes. So I would definitely say a happy man is God's plan. That's all I want to say to you, and that's all I want to tell you. And I want to tell you that I really love you, I really appreciate you, and I'm blessed to have you. And I'm happy that God put you in my life, despite what we go through.
It makes us stronger.
It makes us stronger.
Yeah. This is the time when you don't have to prevent the tears run. They kiss you. Yeah.
Yeah. So, ladies, let us take that thing out of our head. A happy wife, a happy life, right? A happy man is definitely God's plan. And don't get it twisted, don't get it wrong. God wants us to be happy as well. But you know, we always saying, oh, a happy wife, a happy life. And I mean, you know,
Selfish.
yeah, we need to turn that around because I heard this thing, you know, and I'm like, you know, me I say when we say I'm look, I say that's true, you know. When you say that's true, that's something not true. A happy man is definitely God's plan because remember the man is the head of the household. He is our king, right? So once everything is alright, comes home to a happy house, hot meal, mighty God.
Sexy wife. Seriously, on a serious note, if you know anything about from top to bottom, take for instance a stream. If the head of the stream is dirty, bottom of the stream will be dirty.
Ooh, yes.
The head of the stream is clean,
Mm-hmm.
bottom will be clean.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that the man, he's the head, and if you make him happy, it will flow right through the world also.
Oh yes.
Understand?
Definitely.
And there's no one can tell you about relationship more than God. Because God is the person who created us to have this relationship. So God planned to make man happy, and overall it is start from the head, the man. So it says as soon as you understand that and you obey that, obedience being blessing, then you have a happy relationship. So me and my wife happy. And I
Chips
say,
again.
and I say, we're not cussing, but
Yeah, we do have our differences.
so look here. Conflict is good. This is how you work it out. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is. You know, say your mind dirty? Your mind dirty. Your mind is dirty.
Did you know that I was planning this?
What a Christian lady, mind dirty. Sir.
No, it's supposed to dirty when you cook
Fly
Fly
away.
So
This is
guys,
the other side of Miss Polly when I see here.
Guys, he has no idea that I was planning this.
No.
So this is the after Valentine thing, right? It is not. Okay, so all of you that was on the live Valentine morning, gonna see the breakfast that I prepare for him. Breakfast in bed. I just jump out of the bed like a superwoman. I just jump out of the bed. Vroop, something on. Vroop's kitchen like a superwoman, and I prepare him a lovely, lovely, lovely breakfast on Valentine's Day. Right, so this is the after Valentine thing. So this is our Valentine.
Okay, people, if you don't have any events planning, I gotta tell you something. Miss Polly, I've never done a wedding plan before. I she plan a wedding. Miss Polly is a good planner. That is one of her talent. She don't know it, she don't accept it, but me I tell you, she's a very good planner and she will love to plan. She will love to plan so much that me and the kids then even afraid to plan for she because she have high standard. But nevertheless, if you have anything and you need help plan it out, call up on her.
As long as I have the time, I will.
What else happened? Have you noticed this much happened?
Yeah, that's all I wanted to say to you. A happy man. A happy man is definitely God's plan. Yeah. Because I wanted to eat. So why you have to say it? Okay. Should I sit or should I stand?
You take comfortable. Maybe you should sit down because you know your fall because I need your leave.
Alright, so
This is to you from me, and this is just one way of saying that I really and truly love you. There's no word can express how much I love you or explain why I love you. So we all know that love is a verb. You have to demonstrate, and I'm just demonstrating my love to you by giving you this beautiful present. I know you're things that I like weird things and nice things.
babes,
Which you're supposed to get.
don't say
Which
that
you're
to somebody
supposed
else.
to get because you deserve it. So
So can I guess? You know what? I have something for you.
great mind think alike, right?
I have something. You know what? I want to give you your own before I pull mine. I want both of us to pull it same time. Did you know that I have something for you?
I don't know what's feeling for Thursday, but I know what's feeling.
I have something for you. I have something for you. I have something for you. Bum, 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 bum. So, this is just a small token of my love to you.
This is like a food.
So let me put it at the same time. Jesus, you should have guessed. No, me should have guessed. You should have guessed. Anyways, you put it already. You can't guess. You see it. Alright, let me guess. Cause my one wrapped up than him. Alright. Can I guess this is a cologne? This is a cologne. Mighty God. People, every time you give me Valentine present, me guess it and guess it right. Me shake the box or
No, you never get it. Every time I get it first. You get it. All you get it. When I get it first. And I get it.
wait, no, me not get it at the first
All
attempt.
you get it.
Oh, me get this at the first attempt.
Yeah.
Mighty Jesus, me not even that realize. Yeah, me always guess our people.
And I love keeping the fridge, you know what?
Mm. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, it's a cologne, guys.
And I'm gonna wear my watch people. You see, when you look at it, and the first time you go town to buy shoes, you take off the old one and put on the new one. You can decide to if you've never did, you then have a new shoes and nobody knows it.
You see that, my brother?
Yeah.
One of my brother.
You see the one?
Woo!
Talk to me, the people. Talk to me. You them close up, man.
me see.
Like it?
Colon and dirty skin. Appreciate. Colon and dirty skin. So.
I'm coming to say, any watching a comedy instruction, and good that you know, see comedy instruction with people.
I buy the best. I buy the best.
Mm.
I buy the best
Nice.
once it's you. So the cologne smell really good, guys. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Man. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Wow. When you want, wow. The when you want. Oh my God.
And people after 3 decades is still sharing these things together.
Yeah.
And that is what when you say you have to work on your love, you have to work on your love.
Yeah.
You can't become complacent or become complacent. You have to continue to
Smell
invest
nice.
in a relationship.
Smell really nice.
It is nice. After the price, you have to.
I want that. So.
I only try to give you the best because you're the best.
Yeah. When you want all the good. In the heat of the night. Just keep on thinking about me, baby. 'Cause I'll be there just to hold you closer. 'Cause I can't hold back what I feel now. I think it's just the fact that you should be. I love you. Yeah, really? Yeah.
Okay.
Because you know me sleep.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is how we spent our Valentine.
Post.
Post Valentine. Yep. So bye bye. Hope you something bite you man. That's for real. Some bite you?
I'm waiting sometime when I'm back. Yeah.
So bye bye guys. Hope you did enjoy. And
I know most enjoy. I can't love staying our business. But we're glad you're not coming out with business, alright? Because this is how we do love
you didn't show your watch at a close up.
people. It's excited. This is people that have a whole thing on it. They give you the time, they give you the month, and they give you the date, and it has something a flashback. You know, nothing I can see. And guess I love the color twist, and it fits so nice. Eh? I want you to see it. You see? You give the second, you give the hour, you give your temperature, massa, and it fits so nice. And my one, you know? My one.
But what do you mean that your one and not and your one?
And I guess it must smart too, because I come with all instruction. If you read the manual and tell you wait do from wait no do.
Alright, so let us close out. We're gonna pack now. We have a wonderful day. Did you enjoy yourself?
Enjoy is an understatement. It passed my expectation. It passed my expectation.
Okay.
And this is
So,
this is why
so did you know I was planning this?
No.
Third trip.
I'm not gonna know. You think I will very about you, John.
Okay.
And people, you have to invest in yourself. It's simple. In a relationship, it's simple. And you have to do things that each other like. You can't just take relationship for granted. You understand? You have to do things. Man, when you look at the woman, every minute you find with the woman. You understand? You have to be spontaneous. I'm going to tell you something. There's never a perfect person. You have to be that perfect person. You understand? Because everybody you find, you're going to have fault. You have to work when you fall. It's simple. So you have to work when you fall, accept the person you fall, and move on. Because if you jump from one relationship and think about this is the wrong person, you have news coming. The other person could have worse of all. So stick to the evil you know, and work with it and accept it and ask that to help you. And be the best person that you can and come to love the person. Even if the person that you not care what you're supposed to get, when the person realizes why it's a changed person and you're giving genuine love, then that person will start to love you. Because everybody wants good, but because of fear, because of trust, a lot of person tends to hold back. But if the person realizes that you're open and you're willing to sacrifice even your life for them, I'm sure that they will turn their life around and give you the best. It is not easy, but it's not hard. It's what you put in, you get from it.
Achievable.
That's the right word. It's achievable. Achievable. You can do that.
So if you see both of you guys are together and you see it now go work out, And you don't want to proper English, you know. And no, if you see it's not going to work out, guys, don't try to play each other. It's best you just go your separate way, right? But if you can work together and make it work, because remember, we are two different people, come from two different backgrounds. Ain't no one is the same, right? Mr. Myers always said it. The fingerprint is different, the eye pupil is different. We are different people. We are all different persons, right? So, as Mr. Myers just said a while ago, there's not a perfect person. No one is perfect. Well, we have a fault. I have my fault, he has his fault. But guess what? We work on it and we work with each other. Do we have quarrel?
Of course.
Definitely.
Fight and
We
beg.
vex with it. No, fight. We no fight. Baby, don't tell no lie.
No physical fight.
No, we no
physical
fight. We never fight.
No physical fight. Not that kind of fight.
We vex with each other.
Yeah, you argue, but let me tell you something. It is good because when you argue, a lot of people may say, them can argue and say it is good because guess what?
Yeah, it is healthy.
It is healthy because most of the time when somebody vex and upset them till they were really inside of them, if they do have a good communication skill. Communication is key in every relationship. Communication is what causes us to bond. Communication is what we use to tell each other that we love them. Communication is what we use to just to be together, to spend time together. Communication is where we express our love. Communication is key. Communication is foundation. So you have to talk. Things may happen that you don't like. I have learned, my wife always that thing, but I have come to learn. You see when you go to your bed, when you go to your bed and you don't talk, you give the devil a football because the person wake up the next morning and the devil have a counsel him overnight and tell him how think a lot of bad things about you. You understand? So try to mend it.
Don't let the sun goes down and you don't mend it.
And we say, sorry, the Bible says something. We don't reach there with no people, but we live and we
Yeah.
learn and we're growing. And we know it can work.
We are work in progress.
Yeah. And it's the fact that we go through so much and we're still hanging out together and still love. When anything, most people, yes, is separate. They still love each other.
Yeah, they
But
still love each other, but they still separate.
They still
I love your butt.
Yeah, I love your butt.
Yeah, I love
What
you.
is the
I
butt?
love your butt.
They can't
Work
talk.
on it, guys.
And every relationship you're going to cause that and your relational being. So you have to work out there. Try to be humble. Put the other person first. They say, as long as me live, me put it, I tell them, as long as me live, me put my wife first. I say, if my wife take that same out and say she put me first, can you imagine?
I am putting you first. I always put you first.
Alright, I'm here put her first. Can you imagine I have one piece of chicken? And I say, no, you eat it. She no, you eat it, baby. I say, no, you eat it, baby. You eat it. The two are not going to eat it now. Because one now got there for it. Two are dead together. And the chicken is still there. That's love. But it's what people, you have to ensure that the person that you love is first at all times. That's all. First at all times. First in everything. That's how simple it is. Relationship is selfless. You put in the other person first. That's it.
Because you give them tips and pointers, notes. I don't know. You're doing that. I just stand here and I'm just let down.
So guys, it's not a situation where you go and look and you go and say, I wish that I have what the Mayans them have, because you don't know what we have if you will be comfortable with it. You understand? When you're looking and saying that the grass is greener on the other side, then it can be a situation that you are too far away, so you think the grass is green. Or you may too far away, so you don't see that the land that the grass is in is sappy. You have your own relationship. You have to invest in your own relationship. That's the only way you can make money. The only way. Don't look at somebody's relationship and try to say that I should have what they have. You can have it. The Lord give us the same amount of grace, the same amount of 24 hours in the same day. But one of the things that defeats us is that we tend to not be humble. The moment we become humble, the moment we start to look out for each other, the moment we start to put each other first, the moment we recognize that in a conversation or an argument rather, there's no one person that can win as long as you're in a relationship.
You don't argue to win.
You don't argue to win. Argue so that you get a clear understanding and you try to solve the problem. Because when you argue, it's an indication that there's a problem. Because you're not, when you argue, there's a problem. So when you argue, you realize what the problem is and you try to solve the problem. If there's no problem, there will be no argument. That's why I say conflict is good. There's a problem when you work it out. And please ensure that you please your partner, please. Because you decide you're not this and you're not that because what? You're better than the other person. Who you come by that? Are you invent yourself? Are you create yourself? How you arrive at that?
No, on the bad.
No. And God create all of us in his image and likeness. So I am not better than you. You are not better than me. You understand? We have the same word, the same value, the same Jesus Christ come from heaven so that I can have eternal life. And you see one come from me, I see one come from me. We all sin, we all fall short of the glory of God. Material thing does not make you more important and more better than me, rather. You understand? Our word comes from who create us, God. Is the owner of the thing that gives it his word. If I have a pair of gloves and Michael Jackson pair of gloves, have a pair of gloves, it is clear that Michael Jackson's glove will be bigger than my pair of gloves because Michael Jackson is far more popular than me. He's a superstar. So Michael Jackson's glove will work more than me. My gloves is the same thing. Who own you? Who create you? God. So who own me? Who create me? God. So all of us are equal. It is the owner of the thing that gives his word. So no matter comes to you're better than the person, and you have to take that off on the person, and no, it's not like that. Not like that. So once you humble yourself and just remain humble and realize that look here, you are here to serve. The Heavenly Father tells us that the greatest person in heaven is the person that serves. The greatest king ever walked the face of the earth, come here and serve. Jesus Christ came here with a covenant. So like
One black one. Them all send it come, but we never
never use it.
we never like.
Oh, you know that is same?
No, the one here send different. But them not. Them used to have them on downtown too.
Not this one. Imitation. Yeah, you're crazy.
Alright, your phone have space.
Let me not clean it up, maybe. I need to go in and make them. They call it. Stop now and it. Keep it behind it.
Never put it on, I forgot it. There's a bag to put them in. There's a bag in the box. Oh, see the box here? There's a bag in there to put them in. I need to get me a thumbnail or something. Look at your bag. Put all the garden.
You know what you do? Same time. And the money there. Same time. And the money there somewhere else. And you use the river and come back.
Babes, it not end? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, this is from Canada.
Yeah.
These are some antique little pieces, guys, showing you how beautiful this property is. Very beautiful, trust me. And there goes Mr. Mike.
Come back. It's a eating city.
Yeah, man. At first, I'm not coming as a red driver. I'm come and see and say a good thing. Drive in over here.
No, man.
Yeah, man.
You're very good driver.
So guys, this is short lick, and we're going to tell you how short lick make.
So this is before it come off of the tree and then you dry it and then you parch it and you get it like this.
Wow.
Smell it.
I smell it. I don't have to come near from your boss it me smell short lick. Very strong.
So it's from this to that.
So this is
It's finished product.
the finished product of it, and We are going to taste it, Mr. Myers. Come. So this is the first stage.
Yeah.
Then this is the second where it parch. And then this is the last stage. So we're gonna taste this and tell you, give you the 411 and this. So burst it, Mr. Myers, or pop it and let we taste it. Chocolate. So this is natural chocolate. Wow. Turn it up. Woo! You see the name on it? Yep. Neatly wrapped though. Neatly wrapped.
I'm careful. Valentine, now you buy chocolate up here.
I can't be me when I start. I definitely have to come. Ooh.
Buy rich though.
Yeah, so that's the bar. I smell it, you know. Almighty Jaja. No and tasty. Tastes good, people. Tastes good, ma'am. This is natural chocolate, do you know? Lovely. Let them see the name. This is the chocolate that we should eat.
Healthy.
This is the chocolate that we should eat. Nice. And this is it.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Yeah, I love it. 100% organic. You see that, people? And it grow here. It grow here, you know? Yeah. So me and Mr. Myers indulge some healthy chocolate. Chocolate.
Real chocolate.
What it is?
Rich.
Nice, people. And let me show you the property again, guys. Really lovely. So guess what now? Now the day is over. Night is drawing near. So we are taking our flight from this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful property. And I am imploring you, if you have not been here, please come on down and give this property a visit. It is a lovely, lovely property, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. We enjoy the day. We get a tour. We see the different fruits. The only thing is, the fruits, they are not in season. Just 1 and 2 fruits are in season. And we did indulge in those that are in season. Right? So come on down. The fruits, them will be in season in ending of April to May. Going on to when, babes? To June. So come on down and indulge, man. Beautiful, beautiful property, man. Beautiful. I can't help but just stressing on the beautiful, the beauty of the property. Alrighty. So bye-bye. We are checking out. See you. Beautiful, beautiful renew. Come on down and play. Give it a visit, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. So, guys, we are heading home, and I see this cute little building. I just have to stop a little bit. Let me see if I can get some of it. Whoa.
It's an ugly building.
It's ugly?
Very.
Mighty Jesus, people. I see this little building here. I just have to. Huh?
You don't notice?
What you make out of?
Pass back. Look on it, yes, sir. That's them there.
Oh, it make out a plastic buckle, guys.
You see?
I say I can go on a better view because my phone battery even dead. The light not coming on. But look at this, guys. Plastic bottle, you know. The whole stop make out a plastic bottle. Mighty Jesus. When you talk about creativity, you talk about Jamaican people. No man, me have to view this and show no. Me a show no how we little but we tell our creativity. We are creative, bad.
Wongonate.
We say Musa Rasta man. Ja Rastafari. Yeah man, we are heading home. We did have a wonderful stay. Huh?
I should have TikTok you put that one.
This view is very beautiful, but you see, because the light is not on the phone, I guess you're not seeing it that beautiful as I am seeing it, but very, very beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Beautiful view. Almighty Jesus. Can you imagine me drop down here, so? What happened to me if me drop down here, so? Because I am on a hilltop, you know. Look at this. And look down there, so now.